I was in China at a trade show and I was talking to a guy from the government trade association called Gambika, and he said to me, he said, with all the export you're doing these days, you should apply for the award, and it's something which never crossed my mind before. We've never won any awards apart from individual companies we do business with in the past, and I'm extremely glad that we've done that.
Bigneat's business is the manufacture of clean air systems, and Bigneat specialises in recirculating systems, and that's through carbon filtration or HEPA filtration. We design and manufacture enclosures, cabinets for a better word, to protect people and processes in laboratories, in pharmaceutical companies, hospitals and so forth around the world.
Bigneat are seriously world leaders at what we do. There are very few people that do what we do, and I'm proud to say that what we do on a daily basis for the industry and knowing that we actually make a difference is very, very important.
In 2000, we were able to start exporting throughout the world, and that gave us a much greater customer base, much greater security as well, because what we were finding in the UK, a lot of the large pharma companies were starting to move abroad.
Well, for the overseas market, without question, our robotics enclosures, what we call the laboratory automation range, has been the winner because it's a bespoke, specialised product.
Bigneat's strengths are its technical ability, its customer focus. We listen all the time to what the customers are saying to us.
They work tremendously well with the customers. They get together a really good relationship, and it's fundamental. We've done this since day one because it's the customer who drives the requirement. We have to make sure that the application is right and the product that we offer is right, and if we can do that with a standard, we obviously do.
Communication is paramount. The communication between clients and Bigneat is how we do our business.
We manufacture from raw materials right up to the finished product, and that includes designing, concept, fabricating it in our metal workshop, and then assembling it here on the shop floor.
Changing the size of an enclosure can immediately take it out of the regulation and compliance, if you like, and so we would have to advise. There may be ways of doing this physically or from an engineering point of view.
Doing things that comply, that's the easy part. Doing things that comply to what the customer wants, that's the difficult part. They very often, see, they're expanding what they're doing all the time. They've got these new throughput systems, robotic platforms, all manner of different types of things. And every time, and there are a number of different customers out there, and every time they want something slightly different.
These bespoke units certainly can have some difficult issues to overcome for compliance in a broad sense, not just national directive or harmonised standards. So they're changing all the time.
Most of the cabinets are actually sent out flat packed, and then along with the cabinets there's a user manual, and there are very good descriptions of what they have to do to build them.
Service for us is nearly a third of our business again, and that is on a global scale. So through the UK, we have a service team in the UK that branches all the way through into Europe. We also have a US division, which again is also supporting the local countries, Canada, South America, as required.
The attraction to overseas clients is the fact that the cabinets are built in the UK. That is a very strong one. I do get asked that question. And they're very reliable cabinets.
We've got files that go back to the beginning, and we get questions about them, so we know they're still out there. And we service them, of course. We don't service all of them, but we do service a lot. And we get quite a few inquiries of people who've given them to somebody else, and you've got to say, we've got one of your cabinets, can you please give us a manual?
I think that this is a trademark of the British quality. Certainly we know of cabinets that have been in the field for more than 10 years. Maybe that's a problem in a way, but yeah, certainly the quality is very good of these products.
Bigneat are known worldwide, really, for their quality of the product. I think that and the ability to be able to design things that are customer focused to what the customer wants makes us a very, very attractive proposition.
The Queen's Award certainly will make a difference to our export. We've been recognised for our achievement in exporting.
We've got a great set of people that work here, and it is all teamwork. You know, one can't do it without the other one, and it has a knock-on effect. And I think that it's just an absolute brilliant achievement. And I think that, I can speak for everybody. We feel really proud about the fact, and I know Robert does.
The staff here work really hard to achieve this, and as far as I'm concerned, it's their award. They're the one who have put in the hours and the hard work, and it's a pat on the back for them.